down here in Tekapo, and how I've never been to this amazing spot in New Zealand before, I don't know. I mean, come on, check out that view. Snow-capped mountains, icy cool lake. Don't get me wrong, it's bloody cold, -5 degrees. This place is amazing. So I'm down here doing a bit of a drone job for a developer in Lake Tekapo. So it's going to be a good excuse to get the drone up. And at 1 o'clock today, I'm going up in a helicopter, flying up to Mount Cook, landing on a glacier. Welcome to the top of the Franz Josef Glacier on Mount Cook. This place is pretty epic. That was so super awesome. Whoever in these neck of the woods, in-flight helicopter tours, highly recommended. It's not even that crazy expensive, it was like $350. Totally worth it if you've got a bit of time to kill. 45-minute flight, landing on Mount Cook. So good. Anyway, I've got to get back to Lake Tekapo now for the second half of my job. Yeah, this is me working. Tiny bit of an update. I've been driving 3 hours, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It's now 8 o'clock. I'm in Wanaka, which, if you know, is probably second only to Lake Tekapo, one of the nicest spots in New Zealand. The problem is, it's 8 o'clock at night and it's pitch black and I can't see any mountains and I can't see any snow. It's a little bit disappointing. Boa Boa Burger in Wanaka apparently comes highly recommended. I'm bloody starving. I'm a fan of burgers, so looking forward to this. Oh, this looks good. I'm going for the twice cooked pork belly burger. Well, it came highly recommended and I can see why. That chunk of meat.
Brady Dyer, her dad, he made this video.
I like the way you shot it though, because they're going to have this video for the rest of their lives. She's going to grow up watching it.
Brady went to England to celebrate his grandmother's 80th birthday, so he took his daughter with him.